Welcome to Ergonotek. My name is André Roy, the founder of the company. Since 10 years, we design and build service trucks innovative, efficient and ergonomic in the context of continual improvement and with the involvement of the technician, mechanics that daily use our product. Our vision is to build service truck of your dream and give you a permanent pleasure to work with our design. Now I offer you a tour of our service truck. This is the service truck light type, which means equipment needs of small and medium capacity. That the energy source is 12-volt DC battery bank. In this type of truck, we offer 2 walking feet, the comfortable 40-inch set of permanent way with integrate extension hitch, or the practice 24-inch set in the hitch of the truck. When you open the main door, it's important for Ergonotek to have easy access to your equipment. The passenger side, you have a monocoque structure securely attached, receiving a heating system SPAR, diesel or gas, too dependent of your truck. A shelf, the control panel, easy to discussion with a technician, a rear and regulator air 50 feet, electric rear 50 feet, fire extinguisher and space for your nitrogen bottle, a bulk storage module, and an optional extra toolbox aluminum mechanics, resistant, safe with a capacity of 200 pounds per driver. The driver's side, you have a monocoque structure securely attached, receiving a workbench very durable, safe to slide with removable drawer, bulk storage module, a 3000 watts inverter power, a battery charger, a compartment for battery, and space for 5 gallons oil. And boosting system 12-volt DC and 24-volt DC. And first aid kit for your security. In the nose of the box, you have the air compressor 12-volt DC and tank capacity used for tools half-inch. Finally, you have a LED lighting interior and exterior, a strap, external input and output jack 120 volt AC, and you have a remote control in the cockpit for control this equipment. Finally, thank you for taking this few minutes with Ergonotek to discover our passion for mobile truck repair service for your equipment. Thank you.